In today's video, we will learn about what is cash basis of accounting and what is accrual basis of accounting. Let's assume a situation in which a goods is sold in the month of December and the money is received in the month of January. So when the people will record the revenue in the month of December itself, that means he follows the accrual basis of accounting. Whereas if someone records the same transaction in the month of January, then he is following cash basis of accounting because he is recording the money as and when it is received. So let us learn what is the difference between both. As grouped in our example, when the income is recorded as and when the cash is received, that means it is cash basis of accounting. Whereas when as it is earned, like in the month when the service is performed, then it follows the accrual basis. When our expenses recorded in cash basis, when the actual cash is paid, at that time we will record that particular transaction. Whereas in accrual basis of accounting, we will record it as and when it is incurred. Cash bases are generally simple in nature, whereas accrual bases are more detailed and accurate because it shows the real time entries like as and when the service is performed. Whereas in cash basis, there is no need to track any payables or receivables because we are following cash basis. So whenever cash is received or paid, that time we are recording. So there is no concept of trade payables or trade receivables. Whereas in case of accrual basis, it is required to track payables and receivables because we are recording the transaction, but the payment is received or paid at a later period of time. Whereas cash basis is generally suitable for the simple and small businesses, and accrual basis is similarly for the larger and growing businesses which has a lot of transactions to record for. Thank you.